Good morning, Coffee Klatsch friends. It is Tuesday, November 26th. Thanks for joining me for Coffee Klatsch this morning. It is one that you need to have a toasty cup of coffee because it is super chilly here in Wisconsin. Even skipped my walk today because it was kind of cold. So anyways, I am trying to stay warm here in the studio, and I've got a really quick little card to share with you this morning. So I'm going to flip you around and show you what I got. All right, here we go. Close your eyes. And here comes this cat. Good gravy. All right. I got to hurry up and get them their outdoor huts so we can get them out of here. They're very distracting. So this morning, a friend of mine had asked about two different stamp sets where some stamps were found. And so I pulled out my Greetings of the Season and Golden Greenery. And I just wanted to give you a reminder that these are part of the online exclusives. They're kind of maybe a little forgotten. And so it is good to pull those out again. And I'm going to show you some of the things that I've got with it. All right. So it has two different stamp sets with coordinating dies. This one has more of a labels die, which is just beautiful. I use that one quite a bit. I can grab that for you. It's right here. So you can kind of see it's got some nice labels that go with the Greetings of the Season. And then these die cut some of the other images out of here, like the bells and the boughs and the greenery. It also has some nice designer series paper that the dies will fit and cut out, as well as some vellum. So let's make a really simple card. Don't forget, I have my last Christmas card buffet coming up on December 3rd. And so what I thought I would do is I've been trying to get ahead and get some cards designed for that event. And so I thought I'd play with this one this morning. So let's see what we got. All right. It's going to be a busy day today. I have my crown I have to get put on today, as well as Ella has her appointment with the orthopedic surgeon. We'll find out what the CT scan looked like. And so, yeah, going to be busy. All right. So this one is a 2-step stamp. I think these to me kind of look like eucalyptus. Not sure about that, but that's what we're going to go with. And so what I thought I would do is use Mossy Meadow, and I forgot to grab we'll do a stamp off technique. So we're going to ink this up, and we're just going to make a little swag here. One here, and let's do another one right over here. And then we'll do this other one. And maybe I should be die cutting this one. I don't know. We'll see. All right. And then let's find the coordinating one. So is everybody ready for Thanksgiving that are here in the States? I have to do potatoes and the squash casserole. So mine's pretty easy. No cleaning. I don't have to do any of that. So it's a good day. All right, let's grab a scrap. We're going to stamp off. I think I probably should have die cut these, but I'm going to stamp off. And let's see, can I see that? Ooh, those are so birdy. I probably should have die cut that, but that's okay. There we go. All right. And then this one goes, let's see here, where are we? This one's got to go on, let me kind of look here, right here. So I've just got a nice little greenery, Christmas greenery going there. And let's, so what I chose to do is grab the, stop it, kitty. I grabbed the designer paper, and let's go ahead and attach that. My original plan was to pull in some of the old olive with the second stamp, but I can't find that on my desk today. So we're going to go this route. And then you've used a lot of Blackberry Bliss. Love the Blackberry Bliss. I thought it would make a nice Christmas card, a non-traditional card option. Very regal and a rich color. Oh, and we want to stamp Merry Christmas down here on the bottom. So let's do the big Merry. Or do we want to do the little Merry? Let's see how big the Christmas is. Let's do Christmas. Let's do the big Christmas. All right. And we're going to stick the Christmas right here. Ooh, that's pretty. And I actually want to do the other font. I love that this stamp set has like printed and script cursive, so you can mix and match the fonts, which is kind of a nice look. I love that look. So we're going to stamp Merry right over here. And attach that right there. Okay. Now, let me show you the piece de la resistance. This ribbon is gorgeous. It is part of the Regal Flora or Regal one of the my catalog isn't here, but it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's got a more of a winter vibe to it, but this Blackberry Bliss ribbon is amazing. I've also cut it in half so that at times so that it's not as thick, but I want it this thick because we are going to put it right here. Kitten, for reals. All right. And then this one is going to get attached. Seriously. But isn't that scrumptious? It is just beautiful. I think I would like this better if I would do the stamping of the second stamp with Old Olive. I think it would pull in with that designer paper a little nicer, but this will work for now. I also wanted to go ahead and use up some embellishments. So I went through my stash, and I thought gold would look really nice. But what I also thought would look really nice is these purple shimmer that are in the regular catalog, because look at how cool these look with it. And let's grab and so I thought I would just add a couple of these gems. Come on. Doot. Cover up my little splotch there. And do one here. And maybe one up here. But look at how pretty that is. Just a very, very, very simple Christmas card using the gold and greenery, which are some of the online exclusives right now and available. So they're fun. So check those out. So that's what I got for you today, friends. Have a great Thanksgiving. We will not be coffee clatching on Thursday. I am hoping to coffee clatch on Friday, but Thursday we will be traveling, and so enjoy. Thanks again, friends, and I'm thinking a few modifications will be done with this one, and it will be part of my Christmas card buffet coming up on December 3rd. So make sure that you sign up for that. All right. Thanks, friends. Toodles.